Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you my top 5 favorite features, or you can see a top 5 best features that I like on the new Android 5.0 Lollipop. You can see I am running the 5.0 Lollipop here. If we go into the About phone, then you can see this is running 5.0 Lollipop. So the first thing that I like here is the lock screen. Now basically the lock screen is now more and more good because you don't have to unlock your device to see the stuff. Now you can see most of the stuff without just unlocking your device. You can see the time, the date, your carrier. You know, if you have any kind of notification, they will appear here. You can also quick reply your notifications, which is extremely good. And also you can see if we swipe up, the device will be unlocked. And of course, if you want to call someone, if your device is locked, if your friend asks you to give your phone to them, they want to call someone, you just have to quickly go into the dialer app by swiping like this, and you can see you are in the dialer without telling them your password. So it's pretty easy. Same way you can go into camera, you can take quick photos, quick selfies and stuff like that, which works pretty fine. And now the second thing that I like is the new notification center. Now the notification center has been improved greatly. We have all the basic stuff like the brightness and the Wi-Fi, and now we do have the flashlight here. Now this wasn't available on the previous builds of the Android, but of course you can add it by going to settings, but this is something that is available as a default. And you can see the carrier and all the basic stuff is available and pretty straightforward. You can see the time, the date, the battery percentage, which is enabled by as a default, then also settings, then the owner info, and you can quickly go into settings. You can quickly enable and disable any option. Quickly go into settings by clicking on the text down below. And also you can, if we hold here into your carrier option, you can see your data usage. If you are using the SIM internet connection, it will tell you your usage, your data usage, which is extremely great. So that you know how much data you have used with your SIM internet connection. Now the third thing that I like here is the new Android Lollipop buttons here. Now this is something that is different from the previous Android builds. We have the arrows, but this time we have circle, square, and triangle, and that just defines the Lollipop. Whenever people see this device having these buttons, they immediately know that it's running on a Lollipop. This is something new and different from the previous build of Androids, like we see in the Jelly Bean, where they got the same kind of buttons than on the KitKat. But this is extremely different than before, and I do like it very much. So now the fourth thing that I like is the wallpaper. Now the wallpapers are extremely great. In terms of the launcher, we have the same kind of launcher, but I'm talking about the wallpaper here. The wallpapers are not like the Android L developer preview wallpapers, not like KitKat wallpapers. They're extremely refreshing wallpapers. You can see very amazing wallpapers. And Sunbeam, of course, you can change its color. Let's see if I can. No, I can't. We don't have the option to change the color, but of course we do get on custom ROMs. But you can see the wallpapers are very amazing, fresh wallpapers, extremely good kinds of wallpapers here. So if we move here into the settings, and then if we go into the About phone, then if we tap on the Android 5.0 version a couple of times, you can see if we hold it, you can see you will get a game here. This is a game which is kind of like an Easter egg or hidden feature, which is also my favorite feature because of course you can immediately play any game. I played this game actually. This is like a Flappy Bird. You have to keep the Android alive by by these lollipops, which is extremely great. You can time pause without installing Flappy Bird. You have the Flappy Bird, and as a default on your device. Of course, this whatever device you will have, when you install the Lollipop, you will get that Easter egg. That is extremely great from Google. And of course, same kind of camera app, same editing and stuff like that. But these were the features that I like. And also I do like the new dialer app, which is extremely great. You can see the sound, and also you can quickly call someone. You can add contacts, and you can add it to your Gmail account where your contacts are backed up. And also you can save it separately. You can also import from previous contacts, your another account or previous device. You can also use any file manager. Then you can open up some XCF file, and you can import contacts from that file. Extremely great options in this new dialer, and the contacts having kind of like a mixture. So just a quick little video here of the best features that I like, my favorite features on the new 5.0 Lollipop. Of course, this is the pure one. We still have to see it on the Note 4 or the S File and other devices. We'll see some best features and tips and tricks. And of course, I'll be making more ROM videos. So custom ROMs which are coming, and based on the 5.0 Lollipop, there's some few ROMs out there that I will try out. Let's see what will have kind of like a difference between this here and those. So thank you so much for watching this video, and be sure to check out my channel if you want to know how to install it, how to root it, and some other stuff. And I'll see you next video.